Hello friends, I'm Professor Filip Kovacevic and this is the 105th edition of the Russian Newspapers Monitor. In this edition of the Russian Newspapers Monitor, I will discuss the recent flare-up of violence in Central Asia and the global players whose geopolitical designs provoke and encourage it. In addition, I will examine the situation on the Crimean peninsula exactly 5 years after it became a part of the Russian Federation. I will also discuss the large-scale weapons deal recently agreed on by Russia and Egypt and look at the other major clients of the Russian military-industrial complex. Lastly, I will present the highlights of a front-page interview with the Russian Defense Minister, Sergey Shoigu, one of the most likely successors of the Russian President Vladimir Putin. Do not miss this exclusive edition of the Russian Newspapers Monitor.